Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel and hope you are very well. Guys, today big news. Today news, a magnitude 4.6 earthquake broke at 9:31 p.m. Guys, Thursday along the Oaxaca Melanco Fault west northwest of Ensenada, Mexico, briefly shocking parts of San Diego County, said the U.S. Geological Survey and San Diego State University geologist Tom Rockwell. Guys, let us keep you updated on the latest news. A magnitude 4.6 earthquake broke at 9:31 p.m. Guys, this was the latest news. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get more latest news. Thanks for watching.